This is JR from R Enterprises with a 5-minute drill on truck number 8453. The chassis is an F450 2012 model with 172-inch wheelbase. Mileage is just over 50,000 and it is 4-wheel drive. It has a 6.7 liter V8 diesel engine. The engine is new with under 5,000 miles on the new engine. The overall length is 286 inches. The overall height is 112 3/4 inch, and the headroom, interior headroom, is 70 inches. It is an AEV. The paint is in good condition. It has LEDs throughout the exterior and interior. The floodlights are halogen. It has an inverter and charger, an HVAC system. It is a 2012 Ford F450 with the new V8 6.7 liter diesel engine. The body configuration is left front oxygen. There's also a small compartment above the oxygen which houses the vacuum pump and the inverter. The universal bracket. It also has left forward storage in the L2 compartment. Has an adjustable shelf for additional storage. L number 3, left rear compartment, has inside-outside access. It has 2 adjustable shelves. The load height is 33 inches after the air ride is dumped. It has a flip-up rear step, and after the air ride dumps, it has a 33-inch load height. The interior configuration, left side attendant seat with forward and aft action areas, storage behind, below, and above. It's a Type 1 walk-through configuration. So bellows connect the cab to the module. Console's in good condition, wheel and siren head, place for radios to mount. Power distribution quarters is behind the seat. It has a central HVAC system with vents and outlets down the interior ceiling. It has right rear backboard storage, storage behind the squad bench, body side window, also a parallel action panel, 2 action panels in the rear. It also has a right front ALS cabinet, inside-outside access, and 2 lockable portions of that as well. This body configuration has a lowered skirt line for ease of entry and exit at the curbside door. The right rear compartment is for backboard storage. Also has an adjustable shelf and an ALS cabinet at the right front. Access above, inside and out, locking portion below, and then additional storage below. If you have questions or would like additional information on unit number 8453, please call 1-833-REMOUNT, REMOUNT, or visit our website at www.renterprisesllc.com. Thank you.